Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to learn about DDL commands. So friends, if you are new to my video and if you want to learn DBMS, you can go through my channel playlist. In channel playlist, you can find a folder called DBMS. Okay, so in the DBMS folder, you will find remaining videos available. Okay, so if you want to learn in Telugu, there is also a folder called DBMS in Telugu where Telugu videos are available. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to the SQL commands, so let us start with SQL commands. As we know, DML commands are part of SQL commands. So let me start with the SQL commands. Okay, so SQL, structured query language. What is SQL? Structured query language. Okay, so SQL commands are instructions. So what are they? They are instructions. For example, if you want to give any instructions, then we use SQL commands, right? So it is used to communicate with the database. Okay, so with the SQL commands, what we can do, we can communicate with the database. Means database, it seems. That means if you want to communicate with the database, for example, you want to access some data or you want to create some data, then we use this SQL commands, right? So it is also used to perform specific tasks, functions and queries of the day. So functions and specific tasks are again done with the SQL commands. So what type of performance we can do means SQL can perform various tasks like creating table. That means you can create a table, add data to the tables. That means records. We can also add the records in the tables. Okay, drop the table means deleting. Modifying the table means editing. Okay, setting permissions, you can also give permission to the other users. Okay, so SQL are divided into 4 types. What are they? DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. So what are they? DDL, DML, DCL and TCL, right? So DDL command, DML commands, TCL commands and DCL commands. So in the next video, we are going to deal with the DML, TCL and DCL commands. In this video, we are going to discuss about the DDL commands, right? So let us start first with the DDL commands. So DDL is nothing but a data definition language. What it is? Data definition language means it will define the table. Okay. So what DDL will do? It will define the table, right? Means table structure. Okay, it will define the structure of the table. Okay, see, DDL changes the structure of the table like creating a table, deleting a table and altering. That means we can create, we can alter and we can also delete the table by using DDL commands, right? All commands of DDL are auto committed. That means it is permanently save all the changes in the database. So what you are saying here, DDL commands are auto committed. That means automatically it will save. Committed means save. Okay, so when you create table, automatically you doesn't need to, just like MS Office or MS Word or in C language we used to save .c extension, right? So here we doesn't need to save, automatically it will be saved. Okay, that's what it is saying, right? So let us see what are the different types of DDL commands again. So first, SQL commands are divided into 4: DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. Now again the DDL commands are divided into create, alter, drop, truncate. So let us go one by one, right? So first let us start with the create command. It is used to create a new table. For example, if you want to create a new table, then we use create command. Okay, for example, I want a table to create 2 columns, serial number and S name. So then we can use create table. Let us see how we can do it. Okay, first let us start with the syntax. Create table, table name, column name 1, data type, size, comma, column name 2, data type, size. If you have more column, you can write same, comma, comma, right? For example, create table student. Okay, so in place of table name, I said student. Serial number is a data type here. Okay, and 3 is a size. Okay, so that means you can take 3 digits and for example 0 to 99, you can 999 till 999 you can take. You cannot take more than that. Okay, same characters also. Yes, 10 means you can only take 10 characters. Okay, for example Arun Reddy. Okay, space, it will also count as space, right? So serial number, varchar means variable character, right? Okay, so you can see here serial number, S name, serial number, S name. So 2 columns are created. So again, for example, here you can see serial number, right? For example, if I write any characters, it will not accept because you have given data type as number. So serial number, it will accept only 1, 2, 3 or 101, 102, 103 until 3 digits. For example, 0 to 999 I can write. After 999 it will become 4 digits. 1000 will be 4 digits, right? So it will not accept. Okay, so same student name, s name is nothing but a student name, so we have given size as 10. Okay, so you can write 10 size. Okay, so name as a varchar is nothing but a variable character, so you can give a characters also, right? So let us see a example in SQL. Okay, for example, I want to create a table in the SQL, so I said create table student s number, so serial number, and size is 3. Serial number is a data type, and size is 3, and given a primary key. What do you mean by primary key? Means it will neither accept not null, okay, not duplicate. Okay, so it will accept unique values and null, sorry, it will accept not null values and unique values. Okay, so it will not accept null values and duplicate values. So I inverse. Okay, I'm just saying inverse. Okay, directly if I want to say means it will accept not null values, means empty values should not be there. Okay, and unique values. Okay, right. Next, serial student name varchar 12. ADV means, yes, I have taken 3 subjects. Okay, that's why I have given number. So why I have given number? Because they are marks. Okay, advanced accounts number 3, business stats BS number 3, RDBMS number 3, right? So when I create this table, see, automatically you can see here. Okay, I have created table, so immediately you will get a message, table created. That means you have successfully done, right? So you can see here, when I say DESC means it will show the structure of the table. Okay, DESC student. So automatically you can see student number 3, student name varchar, advance number 3, BS number 3, RDBMS number 3, right? Okay, right. That's how we create the table. See, when we create a table, it will only create the table. Last time also I shown you example. See, it will only create the structure of table. It is not creating the data. DDL commands only create the structure of the table, right? So let us move to the next one. Alter. After creating alter, what do you mean by alter? Means suppose if you want to change the table structure, you have only 2 columns, you want to add more, or you want to remove 1 column, then you use alter. Again, see, it is used to alter the structure of table. These changes could be either modified the characteristics of existing attributes or probably to add new attribute. So you can change the attributes, existing attribute characteristics, or add new one. For example, in alter, again, see, first of all, SQL commands are divided into 4 categories: DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. Now again in the DDL there are again 4 types. What are there? Create, alter, drop and truncate. Again in the alter, again 3 types: add, modify, drop, right? Okay, now let us see what is this add, what is this modify, and what is drop. Okay, for example, I have a table. Okay, so I have a table which contains serial number and S name. Now I want to add another column, phone number. See, to add a phone number I will use alter add. For example, I want to change the phone number size. I have given 10. Now I want to change 12. Now I will use modify. See, I am changing characters of I want to change the character of attribute, then I will use modify. Suppose if I want to remove the attribute, I don't want, now I thought to add the phone number, but I don't want to add phone number, I want to delete now. See, to delete, what you will do? Alter drop. Now I have removed the phone number. So to remove we use alter drop, to add we use alter add, and to change the characteristic of attribute, for example changing the size, phone number 10 digits, 12 digits, then we use modify, right? Okay, so I'll show you example one by one. So we'll go one by one. First we'll go with the add. Okay, to add a new column in the table, alter table name add. Okay, column name, data type, size. See, alter table student add total number 3. So I want to add a total column now, right? Okay, for example, let us see, there is a C, select star from student. I have serial number, S name, advance, BS and RDBMS, 5 columns. Now I want to add another column, total. So what I have done, alter table student add total number 3. So immediately what message I got, table altered. That means table has been changed. Now select star from student, then automatically you can see a total column but empty. It is empty. Total column is added. That's what DDL commands will do. It will only change the structure. See, it will not allow you to enter the data. Again, to enter the data, you have to use update or some insert or something, right? Okay, right. So this is how we can add a column by use add. Then modify. Again, modify, what we have to do, alter table name, modify column name, data type, size. So what is the example? Alter table student, modify total number 4. See, actually when I say DESC student, total was 3, number 3. Now I want to change as 4. So what I have done? Alter table student modify. Total number 4. Immediately I got a message, all table altered. Now what I will do? SQL DESC. So immediately you can see the number 4 has been added. Okay. So in number size is 4 now. Right. Okay. So this is how we can modify the table. Now drop. I don't want a column total now. So what I will do, just say alter table, table name, drop column name. Alter table student, drop total. See. Now I have a total column, right? So I will just say alter table student, drop total. So immediately see table altered. When I say select star from student, see now total column is not there, right? Okay, right. So this is how we alter, add. We can drop, and we can modify the table. Okay, in alter only we have a 3. Now let us come to the third one. After create, alter, what is the drop? Drop, what it will do? It will delete whole table. Okay. So its syntax also very simple. See, it is used to delete both structure and the records of the table. Means whole table will go. So simple. Drop table, table name. See, drop table student. See, I said drop table student. Automatically what message I got? Table drop. Now if I try to say select star from student, see what it is showing. It is showing error and saying table or view does not exist. Table or view does not exist. That means they are gone. Right. Okay. Next, truncate. So fourth one. What do you mean by truncate? Means, see, truncate is also just like drop table. But only difference is drop will delete whole table, but structure will only delete the data inside the table. Right? Only records of the table. See, truncate is another DDL command which deletes or remove all the records from a table. The major difference between truncate and drop is truncate is used to delete the data inside the table, not whole table. So only see student table. If I say truncate table student, so 101 Ajay, 102 Suresh, 103 Ravi will go. Only a empty table will left. So structure was it is not disturbing the structure, but only records will be cleaned. Okay, right. So I will show you a small example. See, truncate table EMP. When I say truncate table EMP, see already when I say select star from EMP, I have a one row, only one row I have created. Okay, so one record is there. But when I say truncate table EMP, automatically this E101 Suma, date, design, everything gone. And you can see here. Next time when I say select star from EMP, no rows are selected. That means table is there. Okay. If table is not available, then it will say table or view doesn't exist. That means table is there, but it is empty. That's why no rows selected. Right. So this is how truncate works. Okay. Right. Once again, let us go to the DDL commands. So DDL commands are 4. Create. Create is used to create a new table. Alter is used to modify the existing table. For example, if you want to add, you can use alter add. If you want to modify the characteristic of attribute, then you can use alter modify. Alter drop to remove the column. Okay. To add a column, alter add. To remove the column, drop. To modify the column, modify. Okay. So alter again divide in 3. Right. Drop, what it will do? Drop will delete whole table. Okay, structure and records both. Truncate only records, not the structure. Right. So I hope you have understood the video, right? So friends, if you understood the video and if you like the video, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you and support me.